Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, it is she, it is her, it is the, it is who? It is Rosie Rosette 2020. Pow. How are you guys doing? I'm doing fine. Listen, this is not going to be real long. I'm not going to do too many videos tonight because I have to get up early tomorrow. Got an appointment tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big, serious day. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So let's jump right into it, okay? How are you guys doing today? I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. A little stuffy, but other than that, I'm okay. I'm okay. I think the reason why I'm gaining so much weight, I've been on a pistachios kick, and I think that salt is retaining water because I'm just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Why back? Anyway, let's see what today has brought us. All right. This light is kind of bright. All right. 14 hours ago, California lawmakers strike a deal to bring back COVID-19 paid sick leave. Okay, we heard about this yesterday. Okay, 37 minutes ago, California AG Rob Bonta, not Bonita, explains why to spot fake COVID-19 testing sites. I didn't know. Boy, I'm telling you, people will do anything for a scam. Scam alert. California coronavirus updates. Governor Newsom top lawmakers want to give workers more sick time for COVID. How about giving us more sick time? Period. Pooh. Today's headline: COVID-19 sick pay in California would be back. That's some good sick pay, baby. Omicron blazes through. California child care providers already reeling from COVID. I was just thinking, what are the single mothers doing? Who kids can't go to school because the schools are closed. They can't afford child care because they can't take off the job because their jobs are not paying enough. They need subsidized child care. If you're going to close the schools and you expect people still work, you're going to have subsidized childcare. But then there's not enough childcare because the COVID, and then people are sick and they lost the house and they lost their license, and then the kids are sick. It's what I was also thinking, like, how many more variants are they going to put out before we're all gone? Because it's variant after variant after variant after variant after variant. How many? California coronavirus cases top 8 million. That was quick. 15-month-old dies of COVID-19 in LA County. Oh my God, that's so sad. COVID updates: California prisons, nursing homes may be turning corner in Omicron wave. Well, that's a good thing. LA charter school sued over student COVID vaccine mandate. Hospitalization slowing in California, but not in all counties. Okay, let's see. Cal OSHA reminds employers to post 2021 annual summary of work-related injuries and illnesses on February 1st. Cal OSHA is reminding California employers to post their 2021 annual summary of work-related injuries and illnesses, including those related to COVID-19, in a visible and easily accessible area at every work site. The Form 300A summary must be posted each year from February 1st through April 30th. I never even knew. I didn't know anything about that. Okay, inside of COVID-19 ward in California pictures. I don't even want to see that. COVID news: China lifts lockdown on residents of Xi'an. We read that yesterday. Okay, let's go to the numbers. Let's go to these dreaded numbers. My God. Okay. Wow. In California has 8.06 million cases. In the past 24 hours, like 12 plus 12, 82,805 people. 82,000 in California. 2 years in, we're still getting 82 people. You got 2 vaccines and 1 booster. And then don't you have the flu shot available, which I never get, but still. Okay, now. Oh, I didn't cough that time. As far as deaths in California, 79,353 people have passed away. In the past 24 hours in California, 114. I got those hairs. You know them grown woman hairs that you get? I peeled them off, so sorry if I'm doing this. Anyway, now as far as the United States has 72.9 million cases. 72.9 million cases in the past 24 hours. I'm talking 513,000 people. 513,000 people. 513,000 people have contracted the virus. As far as deaths, 875 in the past 24 hours, almost 3,000, 2,969. It's just pathetic. It's like totally pathetic. Sorry, I can't. All right, so okay, let's do Texas, honey. You know how Texas is. Go to the second page to get the latest news, not the first page. Okay, Texas seeing statewide decrease in COVID-19 cases, doctors say. Texas labor experts discuss COVID, the economy, and where we go. 4 hours. COVID-19 keeps surging in RGV on South Texas border. I don't know what RGV is. We said that Elton John postponed Texas concerts. I thought, didn't he retire? I thought Elton John retired. Okay, I guess not. Join the Texas Tribune for a virtual conversation on COVID-19, the economy, and Texas workforce. Why don't y'all put on some damn masks? That's what you can do. How about that? Let's start with that, okay? UT models. Austin passed COVID-19 case, hospitalizations peak. All right. 2 days ago, see, Omicron subvariant detected in Texas. What is BA.2? Here we go. See, Omicron didn't take out enough people. It's more potent. It still didn't take out as many as you want. Like, can you just let us know how many, whoever is in charge of this? Because someone is blasting these viruses, in the air, in the water. I don't know, allegedly. My opinion. How many people do y'all want to no longer be with us before y'all stop this? I don't know who y'all are, but how long? How many people? 1 million? So do you think like at 1 million, will this stop? Will this go away? Can y'all let us know so that we can, prepare so life can, go on? Or I don't know. Like, what's the magic number? Bill Gates, what's the magic number? Texas restaurants makes plea to Congress to replenish restaurant COVID-19 relief fund. Y'all need to replenish a lot of funds. Minority communities in Texas were hit hardest by early COVID-19. Inside the North Texas Molecular Lab working to speed up COVID-19 test results. Counties with highest COVID-19 infection rates in Texas. I think that's about it. Okay, let me just do one more page for Texas. 9 hours ago, Texas Restaurants Association pushing for more COVID relief. We read that. 1 hour ago, Texas governors sue over National Guard vaccine rule. So Alaska and Texas, because it had Alaska comment. Okay, the Omicron variant has ravaged Texas schools. I wouldn't call it... Listen, no comment. Let's get to the numbers. Okay, Texas has 6.05 million cases. In the past 24 hours, 45,056 people have contracted it. As far as deaths, Texas has 78,887. In the past 24 hours, 149 people have passed away. Ooh, I do. Ooh, I'm so ashamed. I'm sorry. I didn't even show you guys for California, huh? I sorry, California. I sorry. I sorry. Okay, so that's that. And this is, you know what? They never use this as a thumbnail. Never. Check. Check. They never. Let's go back. We can't do California like that. Let's show California what California's doing. We can't do California like that. Okay, so that's the scale. All right. And then here's the numbers. Here are the numbers. Here are the numbers. Okay, let's go to Florida. You never know what you're going to get with Florida. Are you going to get real numbers? Or are you not going to get any numbers at all? Or we're going to get real data? Like, who defines what is actually posted on the CDC website? Because you know what? It varies per state. But you know, I'm going to stay out of it. I am going to stay out of it. All right, so 17 hours last day for Florida healthcare workers to get vaccinated. 14 hours ago, Florida nurse, Army veteran who spent 2 years treating COVID-19 patients dies from the virus. That one is really sad. That is really... Okay, COVID-19 deaths rise in Florida as cases decline. COVID-19 update. I need something to drink. Florida reports 37,661 new cases as decline in something. Brevard County COVID-19 cases fall 31%. Florida cases down 30.9%. Okay, Florida Surgeon General nominee dodges vaccine questions at hearing. Ooh, U of Florida ends its COVID dashboard. Will others follow? Now, why would they end it? The pandemic has an end. Fauci declines to predict COVID vaccine timetable for kids under 5. And that's sad because a lot of them are in the hospital. Lee County COVID-19 vaccine tracker, 84% of people fully vaccinated. Where can you find those COVID-19 antiviral pills in South Florida? Okay, one more page. 13 hours ago, 6 to know where to find the COVID-19 antiviral pills in South Florida 5 days ago. Okay, that's it. Okay. Panama City Hospital sees steady rise in COVID-19 patients in January. Encourage vaccination. Okay, let's see these numbers. So in Florida, Florida has 5.42 million cases. In the past 24 hours, 35,266. Now, as far as deaths, Florida has 64,007 deaths. In the past 24 hours, they claim 3. They went from 429 yesterday to 3 today. Look, it says it. Right here. Look. Look. All right. Look. All right. Look. Okay. 35,000. Okay. It says it. So, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. I don't know. All I can do is report. That's all I can do. That's really all I can do is report. What I see, what I read, that's all I can do. Okay, let's get to New York. Let's get to the New York. And this is really not a laughing matter at all. All right. 24 minutes ago, mass vaccines and Omicron news. COVID-19 live updates. 5 hours ago, COVID news. New York mask policy remains in effect after judge issues stay. It was 5 hours ago, even though we read about this 2 days ago. But okay. Okay, this is what you want us to know. Okay, let's go to page 2. Counting COVID-19 cases doesn't capture the pandemic in count. Impact, not in count. Think you contracted COVID-19 from exposure at work? How long haul symptoms? New York is offering help. Attorneys advocates warn of possible COVID-19 outbreak among what? Among immigrants detained at New York facility. Lord help us all. Mm-mm-mm. New research hints at 4 factors that may increase chances of long COVID. Sarah Palin dined indoors in New York City before testing positive for COVID-19. Oh, so she tested positive? Because I couldn't read, I didn't really understand that liner. You see this hair sticking out? Okay. Also, Palin is positive. Okay, Australian aid ship docks in Tonga with COVID outbreak. Now that's really sad. New York schools cut COVID quarantine to 5 days for most students, but can they go to school? OSHA withdraws its workplace vaccine rule. New York man arrested for COVID-19 relief fraud scheme. How many times is this a new one? Madison County announces at-home COVID-19 test kit distribution. Um, Oneida County, on Oneida County sees 330 new positive cases of COVID-19. I don't know where that county is. New York warns of scammers offering COVID-19 kits for personal info. Telling you, scammers will try and get you no matter what. UK's other health crisis, a huge backlog of delayed non-COVID care. I can imagine, because you want to get these COVID people healthy and well taken care of, but then okay, this here it is right here. What about the other ones? What about the other ones? I personally need a surgery, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it because I'm not trying to get the okay. 843 new COVID-19 cases in Monroe County, 738 regional hospitalizations. Last page, you guys, last page. YouTube bars right-wing media personality Dan Bongino. Is that the one with the 200? Is that the one with the 200 and no 2 million, 2.9 million followers or whatever? Okay. Booster mandate and deadline, students. Okay. All right, let's go to the numbers. Let's go to the numbers. Now, in New York City, oh my God, we're early. Okay, maybe if I get it before 9, I can get the numbers. All right. So in New York City has 2.21 million cases in the past. This is for New York City, not New York State. New York City, not New York State. Even though New York City is in New York State, but New York City is the biggest city in New York. So, and is it the biggest city in the country? Or I think it's the most populated. Possibly. Don't quote me on that. All right. New York City has 2.21 million cases in the past 24 hours. 7,801 people have contracted it. Now, as far as deaths, this is in New York City now, not New York State, you guys, just New York City. 37,009. Ooh, my voice cracked. 37,918 deaths. Now, in the past 24 hours, this is in New York City alone. 213 people passed away. That's just in New York City. Okay. Now, let's go for New York State. New York State has 4.73 million cases in the past 24 hours, not 15 hours. 15,868 people have contracted it. 15,000. That's in New York State. As far as deaths, in New York State, there's 63,505. And in the past 24 hours in New York State, 304 people have passed away. Look, that's a lot. That is a lot for a one-day total. That's a lot. That number is kind of scary. You see that? 304 people have passed away. Totals in New York. You see that? Look under deaths. 304. Yeah. here is, oh, you know what? I don't think all right. I gotta, because if I don't do that, everyone can hear me. Sorry. My neighbors can hear me. All right. So that's it. 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 2 months, 2 years in, 315 people passed away in New York alone. So what I think is, a rush hits New York and then it filters out. It disperses out. But I think it goes from New York to California down to Texas, Florida. I'm not exactly sure. This stuff is not going anywhere soon. That's what I'm scared of. It's like, okay, I got a vaccine. 1, I got a vaccine. 2, got the booster. So what's next? I mean, are we going to have to get a 4th booster, a 5th? Like every 6 months is a new booster going to come out? Every 2 months is a new variant going to come out? I mean, they're talking about, what is it, BA.2? Really? Like, when does it stop? When does it stop? I want to go to the gym. I want to be able to work out. Can't touch this, can't touch that, can't do anything. I want to be able to travel. I know these are first world problems. Well, look how big I am. My goodness, look at how big. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.